Hey there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good wherever you are watching me from. If you are new to this channel, this is Cubes Out and you are welcome. Please be a member by just subscribing and turning on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any new video. On here, we cook mouth-watering dishes without seasoning cubes or powders because they have got some MSG that is not healthy for you. Okay, so as you watch this video, please kindly give it a thumbs up so it can perform better. Thank you. On this episode, we are doing, guess what? Mama put stew, or what you know as Bukka stew. You know that very stew that every morning in the neighborhood you see people queue up wanting to get a taste of that stew. Because why? It is very addictive. Even though some people say they don't like eating outside, like somebody like me, sometimes once in a while I still want to go out and get this. So instead of doing that all the time that I feel like having a taste of this addictive stew, I have to learn how to make it myself. And on this video, I want to teach you how you can do that yourself to get that very taste. You know those ones that sometimes they carry it on the wheelbarrow or on the truck, and that stew, yes, we call it Mama Put or you can call it Bukka stew. That's what we are making here. And on this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the secrets to getting that peculiar taste. If you follow it step by step, you're going to arrive at that very addictive taste, trust me. And you're going to come back here and give me a feedback. So what we have here is we have shombo, we have what do you call it, tatashi, we have onion, ginger, garlic. I'm not going to be doing with ginger and garlic, yes, because why? It's going to spoil the taste, but I'm just showing you so you know you don't need it here. Then we have scotch bonnet pepper, and then our tomatoes. I was showing you the tomatoes has to be fermented. That is number one rule. I bought these tomatoes very strong, and then I had to soak it in water and leave them for some days, like 3 or 4 days to ferment. If you go to the market, you see the tomato they call awarawa tomatoes. If you are comfortable with that, that is what you need. But if you're not comfortable, just buy the strong ones and then leave it in your house for some days, soak in water to ferment. That is one principle of cooking this to getting that taste. And then after that, I blended everything off camera and I boiled the thing to dry. After that, I put it in the freezer because I didn't make this stew the very day that I, boiled that tomatoes. Another day I am making the stew. Now the second rule is that you have to fry your meat and your fish, especially your fish. You must use ice fish for this stew. Yes, that is one of the secrets of getting that taste. So I am done frying my beef. I already steamed the beef and then done frying. The next thing to be fried here is the the ice fish, and this is the fish that they call shina. You must fry this fish and you must use this oil in frying the main stew. In frying that stew, this oil is what you need. This is the second principle. If you don't do it this way, you are not going to arrive at that addictive taste of Mama Put stew. I hope you're learning something and you have already liked this video. Please hit the thumbs up icon right now to like this video. Thank you. And yes, we are done frying the beef and the ice fish. The next thing to be fried here is we are going to get our tomato puree frying. Like I said, you're going to be using that oil. You see, I just transferred the oil that I will use for the fish and the beef into my pot. Lest I forget, that fish, you must fry it fresh. You don't have to pre-cook it like I pre-cook the beef. Okay, so like I told you, after boiling the tomato mixture that day, I put everything in the freezer because I wasn't able to make the stew that day. So here we are making the stew. As you can see, that one stubborn head, we have it in everything. It has refused to defrost completely, so the heat will get it done. All right, so let's get frying. Okay, I've been frying it off camera for some minutes. Yeah, and I kept covering it because the poto sound will just mess up my gas and the world. So because of that, I keep covering it while I was frying it, guys. And it's almost dry, so I'm going to be adding the processed tomato puree. Another important ingredient and principle you must follow in making mama put stew. You have to add, no matter how small in quantity, you have to add processed tomato puree. Okay, so done adding that, I'm going to still keep frying. And yes, I have been frying it for some time now. Okay, I hope you have liked this video. I've been frying, and at this point it is done. You can see, first of all, you taste for the tangent taste, and then you see that the oil is already on top, so it shows that this thing is already dried. And I just added some curry and some thyme. Yes, guys, this whole thing is looking so nice. Yeah, I added some more curry. Yeah, I would have added turmeric, but I didn't want to add it because it's going to alter that taste. Remember, you have to follow this principle, as simple as that. Okay, done now. I just added the meat stock or the beef stock. If you just follow the principle, guys, you will get the perfect mama put taste. Yes, so to get some more quantity, I added some more water, and then I'll just have to add some salt to it. Remember, we are not adding cubes. Cubes are out on this. Yes, that is the healthiest way. So after that, I added some crayfish. Crayfish is very important, but if you wouldn't want to, if you're not comfortable using crayfish in your stew, like some people have not tried it before and they are probably scared of trying, you may leave it out, but it's very good. Now I added some Ghana pepper. Yeah, that pepper, that blackish pepper, is very good. You have to add it to get some taste of it. It's very good. So that will be all. Remember, you didn't see me frying onion and all of that because all those stuffs were blended together in the fresh tomatoes. And I have been cooking for quite some minutes, and guys, this is smelling so nice and looking very nice, and it tasted so good. Yes, we are almost done, guys. I hope you're enjoying the video. Please, if you're enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up already, and plan to share it with your friends and your family so that they can learn what you have learned. Now, the last thing to be done is the beef and the meat and the ice fish that I fried. You just add it at the last part of this cooking. Just add it, turn it, and turn off the gas. You don't have to cook again. You know, this way the heat of the stew will get to soak the beef and the fried fish and draw out the taste, the flavors that they've got into the stew, and it's very wow. I tell you, it's very wow. Just go and try this. Don't just take my word for it. Go and try it and come back and give me a feedback if you liked what you got. Very well, guys, this stew is done and dusted. We are going to serve our hot rice right now. Oh my god. Tell me if you don't like the color you're seeing here. You know, this thing, you see this stew, yeah, it was very reddish. And how did I achieve that? The shombo pepper and the tatashi. Before, when I used to be fans of seasoning powders and all of that, if I can't get tatashi or stuff to color my stew, I'll just go for onga. You know, that color that it has that just turn your stew reddish, or even your jollof rice. I just go for it and boom, the color pops out. But hey, I don't do that no more. And this, guys, it tastes very nice. Come and join me. Who's coming to have a bite? Oh my God, let's taste that. That crispy fried fish. Wow, let's taste it. Let's taste it. Straight into my mouth, and whoop, it was good. Okay, guys, this is where I'm gonna call it a day. I hope you try this out. Please kindly like, comment, and share this video. Thank you. Until I see you in my next one. Bye bye.